Hello, so this is going to be the start of the chatbot. This is just going to be a basic breakdown on how to start the very basics of the program. So for the chatbot, you're going to want to start off with a simple print statement, just to start off the program itself. Now to do print statement, you're going to type print, put it in parentheses, and then put in quotation marks what you want to print inside. Now you're going to want to print in another print statement. This is just to form a more functional chatbot, just to fill it out a bit. This also serves to help you get more accustomed with using print as a coding term. Now you're going to ask the user for its name, and to do that you're going to create a variable name, set it equal to the input that you're going to be asking the user for. Now to do that you just put input, and then like the print statement you put parentheses and then quotation marks. And then on the inside of quotation marks you would just ask the question. And then underneath it, what we're going to do is put in another print statement. And this one is going to display the input that they put in for the question, what is your name? And to do that, you're going to start off the print statement like any other print statements with the simple print, parentheses, quotation marks. Now, to input the input that the user typed in, you're going to want to put outside of the first set of quotation marks, you're going to want to put either a apostrophe, a comma, or a plus sign. And then you would put the variable name, and then the plus sign, and then a second set of quotation marks. Now if we run it, you're going to see it's asking you, and you can just put, and as you can see it asks you for your name, and then when the user inputs it, types it in, it goes down to the next line and prints it out. Now what you're going to want to do is get some more info from the user. And we're just going to ask the user for the year. So we do that by doing the same principle as with the name. Set the variable year equal to the input, and then within the input parentheses, you're going to have a question asking for the year. So something along the lines of and then you're going to print the input out, just like with what you did with the name. So you would do that by using simple print. And then the same process, only the variable will change to year this time. And then if you run the program, as you can see, it gives you the name. We go through that set of code first. And now we're on the second set asking for the year. You can put any year, and then that's it. That is your first set of code, first two little codes that line. Gives you an introduction on how to use print and input, and how to implement it into the code. Stick around for the next set of videos.